What's the song?
Filipino.
Filipino.
Filipino. I don't know what's going on later.
Dito ko natutunan na ito pala yung community na gusto ko pong pagsilbihan.
He blessed me. He blessed me with these thoughts and these ideas to put it together.
Eureka! Good morning! Today is our visit here in Sulaytin Farm. Come on! Enjoy the day! Hello! Ay. Hello! Hi! Hi! Hello!
Hi. You're welcome.
Photos! Say hi!
कंपनी में कुछ नहीं
Oops!
ये फार्म
Ay, sayang yung mga kamatis, oh.
Yes, sure. I would love to.
The bell pepper, capsicum, bell pepper, whatever you call it. Yes, so fresh. They've given us also free tomato and bell pepper. Yay! See, so fresh.
The best. The best.
Flowers, see? And all around of greenhouse farm. Hello. You can feed them. I'm going to feed the ostrich. Ay.
Guys, come on, we go. Let's go. Okay. Babu. Oh, okay. Our bags.
Okay, thank you. Very tall. Hello. Mint. We are here in the strawberry, but for now, only one strawberry here. A baby strawberry. All are still on season. Now, I will try some mint. Fresh mud freshener. You try?
Tried, but I can't.
How about you, Miss Latika? Did you try?
Yes, I did. It's so minty.
So minty and
Lovely. Missing out.
No.
She needs that one.
Yeah. Needs our What's the song?
Filipino.
Filipino.
Filipino. I don't know what's going on later.
And now they said we can pick one color of flower that we like. And of course, you know, what flower will you pick? You already have one, Miss Latika? Wow. Of course, I will pick pink. Okay, now I chose the flower that I like for free. And then Punita recommended that I need to choose the one with full blown and the one that is still young. See? I made the right choice. I made the right choice.
You are not in marathon. Come on.